Actually, it was dust storm, then rain, then lightning.
Yeah. That's crazy. That shit was loud.
Yeah, it was literally a quarter of a mile away.
Down the fucking street, that shit struck.
I wish I had a vlogging camera.
Like right behind this house.
This
to the
doesn't
left.
do me just. Oh my god.
2, 3.
Literally, the freaking window's shaking, bro.
That's literally another half a mile away. So it had to happen over here somewhere.
Babe, can you call my dad to make sure Aiden's okay?
The cat's scared.
Hmm.
Hello. I just want to make sure everything's okay. Hey, bud.
Bitch. Bitch, that was less. Chris, that's so close, bro. Well, why is it when I go out there, it's fucking less than half a feet away, bro?
Dude, do you have your light? I can't see shit.
In the back, and then the lightning went to the front. So it's heading that way. It's going to dissipate soon. It's right above us, too.
Yeah, it's like right above
right
us.
above us. Look at all the fucking trash. And then there's it. Well, I don't know if you can see over there. Literally another trash can just fell and it's all over.
One of them's open, standing up on this side. That shit's gonna be flooded.
Look at this, a tray right here. It's not even ours. It's fucking nasty ass food tray.
She has her headphones on.